Hello, I'm Lesley Logan. Today I'm going to show you how to do pike here on your Wunda Chair. So pike is like a handstand. You can do a single leg version, which is going to happen after you get really solid on this version, and also when you're really good at things like tree, single leg elephant, etc. Because anything where it's asymmetrical, you want to make sure you are strong and you've got it together when it's symmetrical. And so I included pike and single leg pike inside the flashcards for onlinepilatesclasses.com's latest deck on the chairs, because it's actually a really fun way to find your lift in your center while reaching down with your limbs. So think elephant and upstretch and tendon stretch on the reformer, which if you're looking at this exercise from our flashcard deck, hello, thank you. If you're not, no worries. Now you know you can get the deck. You'll see that there are related mat and reformer exercises. You'll see tendon stretch is on there. Woo-woo. So what you want to do, first of all, really open hamstrings is going to be key, because otherwise you're not going to be able to get in position. And then it's 2 bottom springs. You place your hands pretty darn close to the chair, which makes a lot of people feel scared. I have clients who want to go way out here. I promise you, it's not the exercise. I know it feels safer, but you want to get better at being hands in. And until you're feeling strong doing that, skip this exercise. There are other things you can do. So you place your feet onto the pedal, shoulders over those wrists, heels tight together, and then you pull the pedal down. It's not a big movement, although someday I hope it is. If the spring setting is really too heavy for you, you're welcome to do a lighter spring, like a 1 top or 1 middle or something like that. But the point is that there's support. And then you could go into a single leg pike, which on this spring setting, you'll find to be a little bit difficult to move the pedal, but moving the pedal is never the point. Lifting up as you reach down while staying connected to your center is always the point. And you'll notice that as you work out with us over at onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we do life better.